Here's where the OBD2 port is on a Mitsubishi LANCER 01. So just under the steering wheel towards the middle of the car. Here is the pedals, and it's just up there. Okay, you see it? Zoom back out. Okay, so this is an Australian car, so in America it's probably just the opposite. Okay, there's the key and center console underneath and right there. And for those of you that don't know what it looks like at all, that's it there, with all those pins and the shape, whatever shape that is, 1, 2, 3, 4-sided rectangle with the top is bigger, trapezium I think. Anyway, hope I was helpful. See ya.